Hi, welcome to mitox.co.uk. In this video, I'll show you what comes in the box when you receive your Mitox 26L-SP Select and how to assemble your new grass trimmer. This is the engine, which is a 40:1 2-stroke mix. This is the throttle assembly, the harness hanger and the aluminium coupling at the end. This is the attachment shaft, the grass trimmer guard, grass trimmer head, blade and the fixing kit to attach the blade. Single point harness, fixing kit that comes with the machine, mixing bottle, spark plug spanner, Torx drivers, combi screwdriver and 8 and 10mm spanner. This is the loop handle that comes with a J handle for your safety. We always recommend that you fully read the operator's manual before assembling your machine. The operator's manual contains important safety information and full instructions for assembly. To assemble your new grass trimmer, first take the grass trimmer attachment and attach the trimmer guard. The guard is supplied with 2 Torx bolts in place. These are used to secure the guard to the metal section at the base of the trimmer attachment. Mitox recommends wearing gloves to assemble your grass trimmer, as the cutting blade on the guard is very sharp. You will need the T25 Torx driver supplied with your grass trimmer. Remove the gold gearbox cover so it doesn't fall off when you attach the guard. Remove the bolts from the guard and hold it in position against the metal plate on the trimmer. Locate the Torx bolts and tighten them using the T25 Torx driver. The trimmer guard is there to help protect the user against flying debris, and the cutting blade on the guard cuts the nylon line to the correct length. Once the guard is attached, turn the attachment over and refit the gold gearbox cover. Align the 2 holes as shown. Take the trimmer head and remember it's a left-handed thread, so you'll need to turn the head anti-clockwise to attach it. Do this up lightly and then turn the machine so that you can insert the T25 Torx driver into the hole on the attachment and through this into the hole on the gold gearbox cover. This locks the head so that it cannot turn. Hand tighten the head as much as you can to ensure that it's fixed in place. Remove the driver and just make sure that the head can turn freely. Next, attach the front handle assembly to the shaft of the power unit. The front handle consists of a handle for your left hand and the J handle. The J handle reduces the risk of injury as it will dig into your hip should the head be brought towards your feet. The J handle must face to the left when looking from behind the machine. You will again need the T25 Torx driver. The front handle assembly is attached using the 4 T25 Torx bolts supplied. Loosen these and place the top handle and J handle around the rubber anti-vibration mount on the shaft of the power unit. Tighten the Torx bolts just a little in turn to ensure all 4 are located into the J handle section. Continue tightening the bolts until they are secure. If necessary, the bolts can be loosened and the handle moved up or down the shaft to the most comfortable position for the user. The grass trimmer attachment can now be attached to the power unit. On the coupling, loosen the black handle. Pull out the locating pin and twist it left or right to lock it in the out position. Locate the grass trimmer attachment into the shaft of the power unit. You may have to twist it slightly to align the drive shafts. Pull out the locating pin and twist it into the lower slot. The pin is on a spring and twisting the attachment slightly will cause the locating pin to click into place. Tighten the black handle on the coupler.